Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the language on ASUS ZenBook. And to do this we'll need to click on the Start, then go to your settings. Right here we can find time and a language on the left side, so click on that and then go for the language and the region. Here you'll find all of the language packages that are installed. If you want to get additional language, click on Add Language, this blue button, and here find your preferred one. When you're ready with the installation, you need to change the Windows display language to that specific language. Then also what is recommended is to scroll down and select Administrative Language Settings. And in this window, we're gonna go for the format, and then in the format, pick the language that you've just changed to. So in this case, I'm gonna go for the English United States. Click Apply, then proceed to click OK. And the last thing we need to do is to log out from our account or restart our PC. I'm gonna go with Restart. And after the restart is finished, new language should apply. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.